Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is friend Aruna, and as you remember from my previous video, I was going to the first birthday party. So we are here at the party, so let's go inside and enjoy and see. It's quite a few people, a lot of people here in the party, and this decor is so gorgeous. It was done by one of the designer here. I will link that here so you can see the name of the designer. The beautiful decoration. There's a beautiful community park, was so set up so beautiful on one side and the other side. This beautiful appetizer of one is set up by my cousin. It's so nice, unique. This is a setup for appetizers. For here we're gonna enjoy the appetizer, but before I wanted to show you all the decor. Look at this, how beautiful this decor is. And Yusuf is turning 1. Mashallah, is such a cute baby, such a beloved parents, and lovely. So let's look at the other side. So this is the cake. Look at that, a beautiful cake, and it's so cute. I just love the taste. It's so tasty. So a lot of people arrived already. This is even start probably like 6 to 7 p.m. Photographers here taking pictures. Quite a few people here. It was a big event, about almost 150 people, but we are waiting nicely for them to show up. So there's me right here, and all these cousins are coming in, enjoying it all. Here comes the birthday boy. So let you meet the birthday boy. But before this, let's see how beautiful decors look, and beautiful decoration everywhere. So let's move on. I'm going to let you meet. Oh, this is my uncle. Very nice. So this is the baby. Look at that. Hi, Yusuf. Happy birthday. Such a cute. That's a proud mommy. Very nice, cute. It was a lot of people. It is so beautiful. Decor was set up by her, especially the dessert table. Let's take a look at that. So dessert table was set up beautifully with all the design. Look at this beautiful donuts, and this is the highlight. It shows every month picture. It's such a nice picture. I guess everybody go way beyond their first birthday child, but this is beautiful. Look at this dessert. You have to wait after it's open. All these goodies, chocolate stuff, and I love these suitcases. They actually have a goodie bags inside. Very nice and beautiful. They also have a setup outside as well, but it's beautiful decor set up so nicely. This is like a sunroom. Very nice highlight for picture people. But let me show you such a cute thing, was really catching my eyes. Look at this. This is such a beautiful, this was a decor for the centerpiece for all the tables. Look at how cute they look. Mashallah, it's so cute. I just love it so much. Oh, that's my uncle. And this is the appetizer. So chaat and fruit. Let's yummy appetizer. Everybody's trying it. I'm going to take a couple of pictures before the birthday start, but now they're distributing the goodie bags, and let's grab one for myself. I'm so excited because I just love the design of it. Look at this. I got one. It's so cute. I have to wait until later to try it, but I'm so happy. The decor is so beautiful. These are my lovely friends, just came from Pakistan. Very nice, beautiful family. I just wanted to introduce them as well. Look at that, all my friends, and they're very nice. So highlight thing is the cotton candy. They also have a cotton candy in town for all the kids. I mean, you name it, and they have everything. Look at this, just the jumping castle outside for kids to enjoy. I guess kids will not sit for too long nicely, but it's all excitement. Look, everybody saying happy birthday to the birthday boy. Now it's almost time and ready for the birthday cake. Look, that cat, it's so cute, and it's so hard. I think mostly everybody's here. Pretty much hall is all full with people. So let's go ahead and start getting ready for the birthday cake. So as you see, the birthday boy is ready. Look at that. You know how hard it is for 1-year-old to have a cap on for so long, but it's so cute. Look at this, the whole family, mashallah, and getting ready. The dad is putting the birthday candle, and I'm so excitedly from both sides, mom's side, dad's side, excitedly here for birthday. And now we're going to sing a happy birthday for Yusuf. So without further ado, let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Everything was so cute, mashallah. Now dinner is all ready. Trust me guys, this food was so yummy. It was so tasty. I don't know if it was catering was done by a different caterer, but it was so lovely. The setup was such an amazing. Look at this amazing food. Isn't it making you hungry? I was so hungry and I wanted to jump right into the food and to try it. Amazing food. Now all food is done and time for my dessert bag. Let's go ahead and open and find out what kind of chocolates is inside, and let's go home and finish it up. Everything was so lovely at the birthday party. We just came home. It was so good, mashallah. The small little details for the party was so good. I hope you got some ideas about the birthday party as well. And if you do like this event and also my makeup, make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click this bell button so you get notification for all the new videos I upload. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.